Hi guys, welcome back to our channel Quick Guide. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a Zoom link for the meeting. So, without further ado, let's jump right into the video. Firstly, make sure that you have a stable internet connection. Once you do that, launch your Zoom meeting and click on Meetings. After that, all you have to do is click on Copy Invitation. You can send this Zoom link to anyone. All they have to do is click on the link you sent and they will be redirected to your meeting. As a host, all you have to do is let them in. That's how you copy your link and send it to the people. That's it for today guys. If you find this video helpful, then don't forget to give thumbs up, comments and feedbacks would be appreciated. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon so that I can come up with new videos like this. Until then, have a great time.